What's up, Mindful Crew? Today we're transforming your daily routine with 12 powerful meditation practices. Let's get started. Number 1, morning breathing. Wake up and take 10 deep breaths before touching your phone. Feel your chest rise and fall. This simple practice sets the tone for your entire day. Number 2, gratitude moment. List 3 things you're grateful for. They can be as simple as your morning coffee or as profound as your relationships. Gratitude rewires your brain for positivity. Number 3, body check-in. Spend 5 minutes scanning your body from toes to head. Release tension wherever you find it. This practice grounds you in the present moment. Number 4, nature connection. Step outside even for just 2 minutes. Feel the sun, wind, or rain on your skin. Nature is our greatest teacher of mindfulness. Number 5, mindful movement. Simple stretches or yoga poses to awaken your body. Movement meditation creates harmony between body and mind. Number 6, create your zone. Create a small meditation corner in your home. Even a cushion by the window works. Having a dedicated space makes practice easier. Number 7, sound meditation. Listen mindfully to any sound for 1 minute. Birds, traffic, or even silence. This develops deep concentration. Number 8, walking meditation. Take mindful steps during daily activities. Feel each footfall, each movement. Turn routine walks into meditation. Number 9, eating meditation. 1 meal a day, eat in complete silence. Notice flavors, textures, and the nourishment entering your body. Number 10, screen sunset. Set a time to disconnect from screens. Give your mind space to process and unwind naturally. Number 11, evening reflection. Review your day without judgment. What brought peace? What caused stress? Learning from each day deepens our practice. Number 12, sleep ritual. End your day with 5 minutes of gentle breathing. Let each exhale release the day's tensions. Remember, consistency matters more than perfection. Start with one practice that resonates and build from there. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more mindfulness content. Share your experience in the comments below.